Linking your bank account to your MasterClass subscription is a straightforward process that allows for seamless payments. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the MasterClass website and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate your profile icon or name, usually found in the top right corner. Click on it and select account settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Access payment information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Add bank account details. In the payment information section, choose the option to add a new payment method. Select bank account and enter your bank details, including your account number and routing number. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank account information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save or Update button to finalize linking your bank account to your MasterClass subscription. Now you are all set. Your bank account is linked and you can enjoy your MasterClass subscription without any hassle.